Ini ngomongin wayang nih Zen, memang karakter wayang yang kamu suka tuh apa aja sih?
Wah banyak, saya itu keren-keren gini nih.
Oh.
Ngerti wayang loh.
Ngerti wayang apa
Iya,
aja,
mulai
apa
dari
aja?
cerita Pandawa 5, terus Gatot Kaca, sampai Cepot pun tahu.
Oh pantas mirip ya.
Maksudnya?
Iya, tapi memang kalau kita tuh harus bangga sih sama negara kita. Karena ada banyak sekali nih tradisi yang kaya di Indonesia ini gitu
Iya
kan.
bener banget, dan kalau mau lihat seperti apa wayang-wayangnya, nggak perlu nunggu sampai ada pagelarannya. Cukup datang ke satu tempat, yaitu Museum Wayang Indonesia.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Museum Wayang. How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Fikrul, as you guide here. Well, friend, I will explain about the Puppet Museum. So, Museum Wayang is a museum that is stuck in the old city of West Jakarta. This museum is one of the museum of several museums in the old city. This building looks unique and interesting. This building was originally named the Oud Hollandskerk or Old Dutch Kerk in 2008. Now we are in front of the Puppet Museum. On the right side of the Puppet Museum entrance, there is a ticket purchase counter. On the left side, there is a path to the room, a place where we can see various form of puppets. Okay, any question?
Okay, Pikrul, when was the establishment of this puppet museum, Wayang?
In 732, the Puppet Museum was repaired and changed in name to the New West Holland Kerk. This building was destroyed by an earthquake in 1808. On the right land of the court was built the Puppet Museum building on August 12, 1975. In this Puppet Museum, we can find out various charter in Indonesia cultural talk a number of silent puppets. Wayang Golek, puppet stages, march, wayang beber, glass puppet, gamelan and fighting. Various collection in the Wayang Museum take from other country include other from Thailand, Malaysia, Suriname, China, Vietnam, France, Russia, Poland, India, and Cambodia, which can be seen on the first floor.
Anything puppet that are famous in Indonesia this?
We will start from the front room of the Puppet Museum. In the front room of the Puppet Museum, there is a large puppet Golek Gatot Kaca. Gatot Kaca is a figure in Wiracarita Mahabharata, son of Bhimasena or Wrekodara from the Pandava family. Gatot Kaca is famous as a mighty knight and is known by the nickname Muscular Iron Bonnet Wear, which come from West Java. We go to the next room, which is on the 20th floor. When we arrive at 20th floor, we will see various kind of silent puppets. I will the one of the silent puppets that we have seen, namely the silent puppets in Surakarta. The silent puppets shown in the Wayang Museum is Bhimasena. Bhimasena is a protagonist in Mahabharata epic. Bhimasena has always been right and frightening to her enemies. She is known as a powerful Pandava character. In the Puppet Museum, there is also a puppet Revolution. Wayang Revolution tell the story of the struggle of the hero of the homeland in fighting for Indonesia independence. There are also Si Unyil puppets with this friend to please Usro, Babaria, Paraden, and Paoga in 2001 collection. There are also Purwa puppets from Bali, Purwa puppets from Banjar, South Kalimantan, Puppet Revolusi. In addition, there are also collection of Wayang Potehi originating from China and used to be widely played in Semarang and Surabaya, with the stories of Sampek Entai and Sampokong, totaling 123 pieces. I will explain about the puppet doll the Unyil. The puppet the Unyil tell about an elementary school boy named Unyil and this adventure with his friend. This word Unyil come from petit with meal small. There are still another puppet or wayang in Indonesia, not just only three which I mentioned in before. You can look it is in your left and right. On the way to the exit that must be visited by visitors after seeing the collection in the Wayang Museum. In rather narrow but the walls are very high and lead to a display of Betawi, ondel and souvenir shop. Around the exit there is also a room used from performance of variant puppet show that are held every Sunday at 10 to 2. In addition, there is also a workshop on making puppets that are held regularly at the museum. There is also an Indonesia Puppet Festival event every year since 2006. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our tour at the Museum Wayang is over. I feel happy to be your guide today. I hope you enjoy this tour and feel happy today. Don't forget to tell your family and friends how interesting Museum Wayang. I really sorry if I said anything wrong. That you for visiting Museum Wayang. See you on your next visit.